AI accelerates change, reshapes concepts, and connects all things intelligently. From the vast universe to the modern steel jungle, we are consistently changing the production methods of various industries. We put our ideas into practice, customizing industry solutions, implementing intelligent interconnection and collaboration in an orderly manner. Through digital transformation of production and the empowerment of technology in manufacturing, we provide customers with one-stop automation equipment and integrated solutions for rubber and plastic molding and services around the world. Xiecheng Machinery, established in 2009, is a provider of high-end industrial refrigeration equipment, automation auxiliary equipment for rubber and plastic molding, and intelligent integrated solutions for rubber and plastic molding factories. Committed to becoming a popular Chinese brand in the global rubber and plastic molding industry, and also leading the trend. In 2022, 20,000 square meters of land area, 40,000 square meters of building scale, with complete set of CNC processing equipment, automated welding production lines, and surface treatment production lines. The new self-owned industrial park, Xiecheng Machinery, lays there. We have more than 10 years of experience in the research and development of manufacturing of rubber and plastic molding auxiliary equipment. We have a professional R&D technical team of over 30 members and a production team of over 200 personnel. Introduction of high-end CNC equipment, customization of personalized needs, and monitoring with big data systems. Through our own digital transformation in production, we empower the rubber and plastic molding industry and help enterprises take off by improving product quality and production efficiency. Wisdom is the fusion of inheritance of technology and ingenuity. Xiecheng Machinery has always been actively engaged in scientific research with major well-known universities, established industry-university research cooperation bases, and collaborative innovation research centers. Rewarded as honorary title of specialization, refined, featured, and innovative small and medium-sized enterprises, National High-Tech Enterprise, Innovative Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises, Jiangmen Engineering Research and Developing Center. Currently, Xiecheng has more than 50 invention patents, utility model patents, and copyrights, focusing on the upgrading of demand under the changes of the times and industries. Providing the 6 product series, Granulating Recycling Series, Industrial Chiller Series, Mold Temperature Control Series, Feeding and Conveying Series, Drying Dehumidifying Series, and Mixing Series. The 4 major automation systems: fully automatic central energy saving material feeding system, frequency conversion energy saving constant pressure and constant temperature water supply system, intelligent energy saving power supply system, and central gas supply system, providing complete automation planning and design for rubber and plastic molding factories. 99% of the production processes are independently completed, and hundreds of quality standards far exceed the industry norms. With the strict quality inspection system, every step is pursued with excellence and every detail is taken to perfection. Wisdom is the ideal practice of culture and spirit. Xiecheng Machinery continuously optimizes their service details. So far, we have established over 40 international service centers to provide quick response services covering the global markets, providing high-quality product services to more than 100 countries and regions worldwide. Continuously strengthen the talent strategy and establish innovative platforms with profession, hardworking, responsibility, and pursuit to differences. Let focus, technology, art, and craftsmanship form the chemical reaction, or through stronger teamwork fighting ability and more efficient professional collaboration mechanisms, to achieve comprehensive enhancement of brand power, product power, marketing power, and service power, to empower industry upgrades, to provide global customers with better, one-stop automation equipment and integrated solutions for rubber and plastic molding. Help the global rubber and plastic molding enterprises develop rapidly. Xiecheng Machinery. Share chance for a brighter future.